Changing your username on Netflix is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your account information easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Netflix website or app and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings by clicking on your profile icon in the upper right corner and selecting Account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Select Profile and Parental Controls. Scroll down to the Profile and Parental Controls section. Here, you will see a list of all profiles associated with your account. Step 4. Choose the profile to edit. Click on the profile for which you want to change the username. This will take you to the profile settings. Step 5. Update the profile name. In the profile settings, you will see an option to edit the profile name. Enter your desired username and save the changes. Now you have successfully changed your username on Netflix. Enjoy your streaming experience with your new profile name.